I'm feeling myself. This look is giving. Let's start with this tutorial. I've already prepped my face. I use all my serum. I'm going to use this moisturizer to just set everything. A TikTok auntie once told me your neck and your chest are parts of your face. So do not forget to moisturize those as well. I'm going to use my Amo Brow Pencil. Amo products were the first product I started using when I first started with makeup, and every time their formulas are really improving. I just love their brow pencil. It's my favorite. I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer to just shape my eyebrow, and I'm also going to use that to like prime my eyes as a base for the eyeshadow that I'm going on top of it with. And then I'm going to use my Milk Hydrating Primer. I love this primer so much. Me and Liquid Illuminator, we are 5 and 6. I just love that sun-kissed glow that the Liquid Illuminator give, especially when I add a foundation on top of it. I just love it. It looks so flawless and beautiful. Just love it. I'm going to take my foundation. I have been really loving this foundation. It's very lightweight. You can build it up to full coverage if you want to. But now that my skin is looking so flawless and beautiful, I don't really need a lot. So a little bit go a long way. And I really love it. It's really, really nice foundation. It really matched my skin so perfectly. I love this foundation. I love to use it as a contour. It's almost finished. Now I have to look for a new product to contour my face with, but I really, really love it. It's one of my favorites products as well. Liquid blush from Elf's Cosmetic. I love this liquid blush. I just love liquid blush. I'm obsessed with liquid blushes. Actually when I put it on my nose, I just love the way it looks. I'm going to take that same Too Faced concealer to conceal my under eyes, and then later on I'm going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. That one is a bit brighter and I love that one. Just gonna use that to like highlight my face. I love this concealer. It's really, really nice. I just love the brightness and I just love how my under eye look after using it. It's really flawless. It's really beautiful. I like to just blend it. Also, what I did, I didn't show this on camera. I went on top of it with a setting spray. So I kind of wait for a minute or two, and then I went with a setting spray, and then after that, I blend it. Now I'm going in with this setting powder, and then I like to go on top of it with this Huda Beauty setting powder as well. Loose setting powder. I just love it. It's really, really nice. It's something that I just tried one time, and since then, your girl is obsessed. I love the natural look, okay? I'm using my Morphe bronzer. I love this bronzer. It's so, so beautiful. I love that warm undertone, that warm shade. I'm going to use that as an eyeshadow. I love that simple makeup. I just wanted something simple because I was going to wear color. I was going to wear navy blue and some whites and something. And I was like, you know what? Let me just slow down with the eyes because I don't want it to be too much. So I felt like this really, really nice. The look is just very simple on the eyes, and the skin was just glowy and it's really, really beautiful. I'm using the MAC lip liner and this Catrice lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. This lip gloss is so beautiful. The Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb highlighter. I love this highlighter. This highlighter just give you that perfect sun-kissed glow. It's like not really heavy on the skin. It's really, really beautiful. Especially when you are sitting underneath the sun and the sun hits your face. You guys see, I love this look. Let me know what you guys think. I just love it. It looks so beautiful and simple. You see that glow underneath the sun? Here I'm all doll up, looking cute, feeling cute.